This tutorial will show how to identify unaccompanied children enrolled in a program and add them to an existing household. The first step is to identify the unaccompanied children using the Program Enrollment and Discharge Data Export, also known as a PED report. From the Reports menu, select Data Export, then from the drop-down, select Program Information, and from the Reports drop-down, select PED, Program Enrollment and Discharge. Select a beginning and end date for the report period you wish to run. And click the Run button. The data export will generate a CSV file that can be opened in Microsoft Excel and other comparable spreadsheet programs. This report will list clients in all programs within your agency who have been enrolled as well as discharged within the specified reporting dates. Using this spreadsheet, you can sort by columns to isolate specific programs. For this demonstration, I am simply looking for unaccompanied children in any program within my agency. By scrolling to the column titled Individual Child, I can sort to find children who are in a household by themselves. Any cell populated with a Y represents a child under the age of 18 in a household alone. Using these rows, we can now determine the child's client ID and confirm which program the child is enrolled in. For my example, Stewie Griffin is enrolled in the Atlanta Emergency Shelter Program. Copying the client key, we can return to the search screen and find the client's record. By clicking the Household tab, I can confirm that Stewie is indeed alone in his own household. By consulting intake paperwork or case files, I can determine who Stewie's mother is and what program she is enrolled in. Taking note of his mother's client key, I can now add Stewie to his mother's household. First, you must select the client you wish to move. If there is more than one child in this household, you may select multiple children to be moved. Then click the Move to Existing Household button. Now, from the Household search screen, enter his mother's client key and click Search. His mother, Lois Griffin, will populate the results box at the bottom of the screen. By clicking her client key, you will immediately return to the household screen and see both Lois and Stewie are now in the same household. By clicking Lois from the client dropdown, we can switch to Lois's profile and open the Programs window. Here we will click the Edit icon to confirm Lois's program information at entry. Take note of the entry date and all fields corresponding to the client's status at entry. Next, you will need to discharge Stewie from his program and delete that program record by accessing it from the Program tab. Once you have deleted the record, and with Stewie now in the same household with Lois, you must re-enroll Stewie in the same program as Lois, using the same information from Lois's program enrollment record. This will ensure Stewie's household key at program enrollment matches his mother. If there is more than one child in the same household, repeat the procedure to add each child to the mother's household. Once the household is complete, refer back to the data export spreadsheet to repeat this process for all unaccompanied children.